We're live on location with Richard Goldstein, the co-founder and CEO of Canntab Therapeutics, which is listed on the CAC as SPIL. Richard, welcome to Small Cap Power.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here.
So introduce us to your oral delivery system, the tablet mechanism. What is that about?
Well, it's truthfully a game changer. Right now, the methods of taking cannabis are either through the bud, the flower itself, and smoking it, or through oil, either delivered through a capsule or through a liquid jar using a teaspoon or dropper. That's all that Health Canada allows today. We believe the hard tablet is probably the next thing that Health Canada should be approving. It's a step up for sure versus what's being offered. Doctors don't want people to smoke medicinal cannabis. The oil, it has some benefits, but it also has some real drawbacks. At the end of the day, a pill, a tablet, is truly the best delivery mechanism that could be done here.
But the big news today is that you've applied to Health Canada to be a licensed producer.
That's true. Thank you for that. We did. We're going to be a non-grower licensed producer, so we don't intend to grow any kind of cannabis, but being licensed as a licensed producer, that will allow us to receive oil, not just from Canadians, but as international territories open up and are able to export to Canada, we anticipate taking oil in from around the world.
Okay. So for investors who are curious about this hard tablet mechanism, what are the features? How is it more beneficial than smoking?
Well, smoking, as you know, is very unhealthy, very bad for the lungs, and the capsules are very good because you're not smoking. The problem with capsules are they go through your liver on a first pass, and most of the drug is actually absorbed by the liver, never really gets into the stomach, not into the bowel. You have good blood. In a capsule form, you have microbes, you have shelf life issues, you have leakage. In a tablet's like an aspirin, right? It's the same size, just as easy to take. But at the end of the day, we also have an extended release tablet, not just an immediate release tablet. The extended release tablet will actually last 12 to 18 hours minimum, and that would be like a one-a-day pill for people. We bypass the liver, get more into the gut, meaning there's much greater bioavailability of the drug in one system.
Wonderful. So where do you see the big growth opportunity? Which region?
Well, obviously Canada is a great start, but the world is changing. The beauty of our business is it's not real estate driven. We don't have to open up factories all around the world. We don't open up stores anywhere around the world. We're actually going to be occupying initially till we get our own license in Coburg with FSD Pharma, and that will be our really our worldwide manufacturing and distribution center. And we'll use that facility to receive oil, make our tablets and capsules, and send them around the world.
At Canntab, what are the catalysts that will bring long-term growth?
Well, the biggest thing that we need right now is a Health Canada approval, because that will certainly set the stage. There are many countries, frankly, that will just accept Health Canada's approval and allow us to go forward within their own local markets without having to go through any further additional testing. So for us, we just want to get started with an approved product. We think it's a product that doctors really want. We deliver it in a perfect, precise dose, 2.5 milligram, 5 milligram, and 10 milligram, 10 milligram being the highest that Health Canada will allow. And, truthfully, that's the way. A hard pill is truthfully the way to take medical cannabis.
And lastly, what should investors know about the company in the coming months?
Well, we are working very hard. We came public in April of this year, and we struggled at the beginning. Our stock declined from where we raised the money at, but likely now we are much further ahead. Our stock is well ahead. Anyone that had participated as a shareholder in any private placement in our company has made money, at least unrealized if they haven't already realized it. But I think we're just at the tip of the iceberg. We're a $40 million market cap in this space with 13 patents filed in Canada and the United States. We have real proprietary technology, and we think we have a valuation that could be much, much higher than we are today.
Richard, we look forward to the growth story at Canntab. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Pleasure.